Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Sadaye, Hurriyet, Jammu, Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. The people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir have never shown any reluctance in pursuing their cherished goal of freedom from Indian yoke, whatever the circumstances. In present hell of a situation, worsened after fascist Modi government revoked the special status of the occupied territory on 5th August 2019, Kashmiris are living like the inmates of an open jail with having no basic human rights to exercise, no political space to express their political sentiment, literally taken on gunpoint by hundreds and thousands of trigger-happy occupational Indian forces engaged 24/7 in using their unbridled power to quell them. But still, they become more resolute with every passing day and leave no chance unavailed to pour their heart out to express their commitment to the ongoing freedom movement and their love and affection for the freedom fighters. A video of a street protest in Batamalloo area of Srinagar, which has gone viral on social media, shows how committed and resilient they are. Have a glimpse.
उबैद तेरे खून से इंकलाब आएगा, उबैद तेरे खून से इंकलाब आएगा, उबैद तेरा कारवां रुका नहीं झुका नहीं, उबैद तेरा कारवां रुका नहीं झुका नहीं, टीआरएफ का कारवां रुका नहीं झुका नहीं, हिजबुल का कारवां रुका नहीं झुका नहीं, लश्कर वालों कदम बढ़ाओ हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, लश्कर वालों कदम बढ़ाओ हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, तुम कितने उबैद मारोगे घर घर से उबैद निकलेगा, तुम कितने उबैद मारोगे घर घर से उबैद निकलेगा, तुम कितने हंजला मारोगे घर घर से हंजला निकलेगा, तुम कितने हंजला मारोगे घर घर से हंजला निकलेगा.
Indian troops, during a cordon and search operation in Batamalloo area of Kokarnag, Islamabad district on Tuesday, killed 3 Kashmiri youth, one of them, namely Ubaid Ahmed, hailed from Batamalloo, Srinagar. The resilient people of Batamalloo also held a forceful demonstration on Thursday, the day of Eid al-Fitr, despite heavy deployment of Indian troops and police personnel. A banner paying tribute to the martyred youth is still hanging on the wall of the House of the Martyred Youth. These demonstrations are a reflection of the fact that the will of Kashmiri people is undefeatable. It is a clear message to the people like Modi's and Ajit Doval's to believe that they will never be able to break the will of such motivated and dedicated nation, no matter how much brute force they continue to employ. Meanwhile, despite restrictions, the Jammu and Kashmir Social and Justice League convener Tanveera Jan visited the family of the martyred Ubaid Ahmed, paid rich tributes to him and expressed solidarity with the family. Speaking on the occasion, she condemned the harassment of people and other atrocities by Indian Forces personnel during cordon and search operations in occupied territory. She appealed to the UN and peace-loving nations of the world to take serious notice of the worst human rights situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Several liberation activists also visited the residence of the martyred youth and paid glowing tributes to him. The APHC in charge of Women's Division, Yasmin Raja, in a statement in Srinagar, while condemning the use of brute force against the peaceful protests organized by the residents of Batamalloo, said that such acts of cowardice cannot deter the brave people of Kashmir from continuing their struggle for freedom. She lauded the morale and valor of the freedom-loving Kashmiris, especially the youth, and said the resistance movement remains indebted to the innumerable sacrifices rendered by the people of Kashmir. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening. Radio Sadaye, Hurriyet, Jammu, Kashmir. Radio